to use Apple gift card on FIFA Mobile. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to use your Apple gift card on your FIFA Mobile. So first of all you have to do is just open your app stores, and here just click on the profile icon from the top right, and here you will see all these options. So you just simply have to click on redeem gift card or code. Just tap on it. Now in order to use your Apple gift card through your Apple App Store, in order to use in your FIFA Mobile, you need to have your Apple gift card handy with you. And once you have your Apple gift card, you just need to use either your camera or you can enter your code manually here. From the gift card, it will show just like in the picture that is showing right up here. Just enter the code and click on redeem. And once you added your Apple gift card in your Apple App Store, just come back to your home screen, and here on the search bar just search for FIFA Mobile and just simply click on get. And once your game is launched, you will be able to use your Apple gift card in order to purchase any game in your FIFA Mobile. And that's how you will be able to use your Apple gift card on FIFA Mobile. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.